Traders, welcome to episode 370 of Tea of Me Mitre. Could be doing anything, but you're here, and I appreciate it. Appreciate it as always. All right, so we got Bitcoin possibly. I mean, it's definitely consolidating, right? The impulse happened on pretty high volume and just upsloping with that consolidation, and pivoting, and again, man, look, we're swing traders, so like we do analysis multiple times a day. Sorry, man, it didn't change much. It didn't change, but we threw in. We gave you a bear. Oh, I gave you a bear on the a thumbnail, man. Right? Does that satisfy your need for graphical gratification or something? So, pivoting off the structure that was downsloping, that we had been stuck in the rut, stuck in the mud since mid to late November. We thought we had broken the chains, and we were pulled right back down to those chains. But we're just trying, man. We're holding on for dear life, just screaming to get out. Come on, let's get out of this thing, dude. We gotta get out of this structure. Okay, so Bitcoin has Braveheart in its heart or soul, whatever. It will get out, and we will make our major common retraces up here between 4,400 and 5,200. But if not, man, if there's no Braveheart in Bitcoin, sorry, dude. Unfortunately, the way the consolidation looks, you can see a much lower prices all the way back down to the beginning of the Gartley. So, dude, you are at the precipice of an enormous crossroads. Bitcoin. Alright. When are you not? So that's it, man. Contradicting variables. No coinciding variables today or yesterday, right? It's all contradicting right now, since you have the potential bear pull, bear flag going on decent volume, with the other hand saying, hey, man, maybe we'll hold outside of this structure, and we'll stay above the bottom trend line. All right, we're just bouncing along it right now, bouncing along it. If you're in an uptrend, these are sometimes very low risk areas, and that's why it's like, is it a bear flag? It looks just like one, right? If it looks like one, smells like one, then it probably is one, unless, you're just bouncing off the bottom of a new little trend. So we haven't even broken this trend yet. The Gartley trend, we could call it. Whatever, man. It was all ushered in with the kangage of the harmonic, alright? So that's it, man. Mysteries abound. Mysteries abound. Go, this guy didn't even tell us exactly where to go, where we're going, dude. I can't believe him, dude. Really? Okay, man. Take a look at chat. Whatever, man. Just another day, right? Another day in crypto. What's up, Shalon Peroni? XRP for me. Josh Bell. Francisco. Private Wins. Hello, dude. Jack Black. I responded to you, Private Wins, man. You got any ideas, man? Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is perfect, dude. This is perfect. All right. The people that watch before the pumps to the upside, you're cool. But everyone else who comes in to watch this stream to say, hey, man, I didn't care anything about Bitcoin anymore till we pumped. Is it too late to buy? Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's exactly freaking right. Random scrub. Okay, random scrub. Oh, yeah, FOMO, man. TA is really hot, though. Okay, dude, what's up with you, man? What's your problem, man? All right? Don't be that guy. Be king. Be faithful to the TA. Thanks. It's a public service announcement. More so than a meme, I guess, right? Everest, man, thanks, dude. That was posted by Everest4991, throwing his hat into the ring for the Meme of the Month award, which, unfortunately, we got 48 hours. 48 hours. I guess it's a little more than that until we'll announce the winner on the 1st or 2nd. We're going to vote But from now on, you know, you'll have a clean slate in March if you want to start. If you can start then or something, right? But so far, our front runner. If you did not see it in the day stream, it's going to be shown again. This is my black plasma, dude. Come on, man. There's just like no one's even come close, man. This is like absolutely exceptional artistry, and frankly, I couldn't even believe it. I still can't. So, dude, I mean, it's got everything, man. Carlos Matos and the vague pronouns and the Threadripper and Vet Moonboy Viking Wizard, man. Tip Jar, Poggers on the level 2. The Jesus Man himself. And you've got beers. I don't know why we have the water beers. Can we please switch that to, can you just change that to like a nice craft, local craft brewery, man? We don't want to celebrate Michelob, dude. Come on, dude. Justin Sun picking his boogers, man. The Lego Tesla car. Elon, man. Good luck, dude. Good luck to Elon. And all his tweetage. He's getting in more trouble than Trump, man. Anyway. Yeah, dude. Post your memes. Be king. What's up, Joe Ray? Let's get the party started, man. Yeah, the party, dude. Tuesday evening party, dude. Oh, yeah, man. Hey, one-man army, dude. Who brought chips, dude? I got a chip on my shoulder, man. Dude, past, like every day. Past, like, I don't know. Almost 2 weeks now. I've been busting it, dude. My body is, like, so torn up right now. So sore. I can barely even move, dude. It sucks, but it feels so good, dude. Miss that feeling. But catalysts, man. Catalysts are wonderful. They can be wonderful at the time. They can seem so awful and devastating. But you just don't know when that's the bottom, man. Right? You just don't know that's the bottom. So at the time it hurts, but man, catalysts can be incredible for you continuing to invest in yourself, to search out the other pleasures in life, man. They're out there, dude. So if you're going through adversity, man, I feel you. I feel you. Just use those pieces of adversity as fuel for your fire. Throw it in the pit to energize you to succeed more and more. All right. Thanks everyone for being there for me, dude. Right. Hopefully I can be there for you every day on the stream, just showing up. Right. What's up, Peter Pan Morgan, dude? All right. Congratulations to Newcastle United winning again. It seems nice, dude. Heck yeah. Tron Connect. Okay. Tron Connect will be on the list, dude. What's up, Schultz, man? Schultz. What's up, oh my god, dude, music loud still? Seriously? Of course. It's still a little loud, man. Come on, dude. Give me a break. Alright, that's better. Type 1, if you think I'm a goat, no. Hey, type 2, if you're diabetes, Kappa. You know, we talked about in the day stream. Weight Watchers down 30+% after hours. And the food companies are all up. Nutella took the lead. Oh my god. What's up, Kang Logan, dude? Good talking to you tonight, man. So Brian Griffin, Nick Patton, on ZRX. Okay, ZRX. We looked at in the day stream. Hey, Loot Patient, dude. Did Raven pop, man? That's awesome, Loot Patient, dude. What's Bitcoin trading at now? It's at 3806, dude. Okay, that's what this is for, dude. Just for you, man. Gosh dang it, hold on. Everything just moved to the bottom again, dude. What's up, Garrett K? Maple Mike? No, I don't think so, dude. What's up, Kinda Kid? Eric Coffeen, Pete G. If it tastes like a bear, yeah, dude. Oh, 1G Project, hello, man. Hello, dude. Alright, Brian Kelly, man. That's cool, dude. Good to see you, dude. Ready, Shules. Who's wearing my shirt, man? Who? Oh yeah, I guess he is. No, I don't wear short sleeve plaid, dude. Give me a break, man. I don't really wear. I think I maybe own one shirt that is a button down that is short sleeve. Okay, I don't own any. Dude, if I wear collared shirts, they're gonna be polos, right? Or t-shirts. I just don't have that. It's not my thing, man. I don't think I've ever looked good in it. I don't like it. It's like the Dwight Schrute look, okay? Maybe at some point I should, you know, for Halloween one time I was Dwight Schrute in college. All right, maybe I should do that again sometime. Michelob, yeah, King Logan, that's it, dude. Level 2 poggers. Fantastic, man. What's up, Isidro? There will always be buyers, even at the top. Good for people using TA. Yeah, dude, let them pump it up a little bit more, right? What's up, Aaron M, dude? The workout grind is real? Yeah, it is, dude. When mud wrestling meetup, dude, Devin, dude. Dude, you don't want to wrestle, man. You don't want to wrestle me. Okay. Whatever, dude. B&B is pumping. Oh, wow. Jeez, man. All right, put it on the list. Dang, man. B&B to BTC cannot be stopped. Can't stop, won't stop. And then Litecoin for Brian. Okay. All right. Nice. Got a little list going. That's perfect, man. Always good to have a list of requests. Bitcoin update, Joshua. We just did it, man. Just rewind a little bit. We're just, you know, saying hey to everyone in chat. We just finished. Wow. All right. So moving on to Ethereum. Sure, so much has changed with his analysis, man. Okay, what? That's weird. Did y'all see that? Am I tripping, man? Okay, so you just got Ethereum to the US dollar. It is broken out of that structure, that upsloping structure, which we call the ascending broadening wedge after it broke a downsloping channel. Okay. Once we broke, man, it was on multiple times. And even before we broke out too, it was just the 1, 2, 3 trifecta and then the dumping. And we dumped right at 100% retrace. And so what does that mean, man? Maybe, just maybe, we're setting up for a huge ascending triangle, some sort, or maybe, just maybe, if we're lucky here. Oh, that's weird, dude. It's real weird. Hold on, I have two different. That's so weird. Maybe it's because I did it. Oh yeah, they probably charted these both on the 4-hour. And then, I got you, man. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I think it charted both these on the 4-hour and then both only made them visible on the daily. So that's what happened. All right. So yeah, we could also be definitely working on a pattern, a big harmonic pattern, which is Ethereum, a bearish Gartley pattern. All right. XDA retraced around 61% of the way, 61.8. Retraced from A to B, 78.6% of the way. And then from X to A, we're looking for a retrace to D at 78% from the high to the low. All right, we're not even close, man. All we did was come up and touch this again, and that's why we think there's a possibility of a huge ascending triangle. That's it. All right. Either way, man, hey, congratulations, dude. Congratulations on this, you know, this little breakout we had. It's a nice little breakout we had back from May. It was the structure, right? You know, there's a larger channel. You could include everything from all-time highs. We have it. You're still outside of it. That's great. But it's just a more short-term structure that we broke out of. Okay, so it goes, man. Can we, you know, we'd have to make it up to like $195, $190 to $200. If we were to actually get that opportunity, which would make so much sense because the Bitcoin ran up and it hit the 382 to 618 from the major retraces. That would make Ethereum get up there too. And those are great areas of low risk, high reward for a short opportunity. Fantastic. Okay, let's go to Ripple real quick. Great. So remember, ascending triangle potentially as well, like 1 and 2 up here and 1 and 2 on the bottom. All right, so if that was the case, man, move all the way down to 117, 120, man, that area, nothing wrong with it. It wouldn't be that weird. Okay. Okay, man, a lot of stuff going on, right? But we retraced from the low point to high point now 62% of the way. Earlier today it was only 50%, now it's 62%. Man, I'll tell you, not really what you were looking for on Coinbase Pro News getting added, right? Normally these coins, there's warning that they're going to get added, and they just never they pump until they get listed, and then when they get listed they dump, right? So whatever, man. Confused here. What is happening? Okay, so all that happened was you had the falling wedge, you broke out, you had the triangle, you popped, you hit the 382, the first common area of the golden zone, and then you sold off and you never saw it again still. So you're upsloping, and it's upsloping structure after the breakout, and your target, I mean, the main targets normally for these patterns are going to be at the 50% primary target, and then secondary target 39.7. But we already discussed that this is the minimum target for falling wedge, and we hit it. We sun-kissed it. It was perfect, man. But when you kiss the sun, man, like Icarus, your wings melt. And that's what happened. Double topped, sold off, and then jumped up like 3 cents after the news on Coinbase. Whatever, dude. Whipsaw. Crazy. Okay, man. I mean, there's nothing we can talk about on the, I mean, let's see. It's just convergence, man. Lower high, lower low so far on MACD. Not going to be both. You could break out of the ascending triangle private wins, run up, not hit the measured move, but hit a 78% retrace from your major high to low, and then that's how it could work out, man. Hey, man, why do you not hit the measured move on patterns? Overwhelming resistance, not enough buying pressure to get you to those targets, and it happens. But so you got to have enough vision and diversified education and technical analysis to understand there are other scenarios that could be going on. And that's why, dude, it's very important to diversify your education. Okay, you can't just get it from one source. Getting it from just me, man, I get it, man. I get it. I spent like 7 years doing this, but and I got a bunch of information from a bunch of different people. But I think just because you're getting some education from me, you know, I think you should get education information from other people too, man, not just me. Like, you should definitely try to branch out. It's always good to do that, okay? Because there's other ways to be successful other than me. So you could take a blend of what I do and what other people do and put it together and make it your own, man. It's cool. Maybe you find something that no one else really knows about, right? It's endless possibilities and opportunities on this market. It's so beautiful, so wonderful. That's why TA is so cool. You think XRP is in a falling wedge, dude, on the 60-minute? What? How in the world could it be, dude? 1, 2, 1, 2, dude, no way. No way. What? There's no structure here, man. Dude, you had like a double top, you dumped. Probably hit the measure move, you were close enough to it, and then you pop back up on news. Dude, this is just in a upsloping channel, man. Upsloping channel. If you're talking about right here, dude, okay, fine. If you think so. If you like small, very almost inexistent looking patterns, go for it, dude. But look at this, man. This pattern developed over the course, I mean, dude, a month and a half. Okay. I mean, this swing trading is about looking for significant time scaled pretty well developed patterns. Not, I can't even see it unless I zoom in on the 1 hour and zoom in on the chart, right?
Is that a joint?
Holy high Zeolon. Mono went boom in profits while I was working. Great day, Kings. Can you check out Poopy PoE coin, please? Thanks.
Hey, Maha Freedom, man. Thanks for the 420 contribution, dude. Much love, man. Yeah. Take a look. Poe for show. Why are people making shorts on Ripple to 25 cents or less? I don't mean lower highs. Lower highs. I mean, but you still have like some slight I mean, double bottom. Like, man, I don't know, because the prevailing trend is bearish right now. You can clearly see on the chart it's all lower. You just can't make higher highs no matter what you do, man. It's just lower highs, and there's some sort of support here. Your manufacturing supports, right? All right, so I mean, I guess I understand why people might be wanting to think about shorting Ripple or something, but everyone's just thinking, oh man, we're on Coinbase, dude. Now we made it, dude. We made it. Now we're going to the moon. Yeah, right. How's that worked out for literally any other coin that exists? They all, dude, again, they all ran up before getting listed. They get listed and they get a death sentence, man. Okay. Then they all get destroyed. They all just dump. Okay. So Ripple didn't get really any of that. So, whoa. And there you go, man. Just another one that's just kind of doing the same crap, just kind of like one sideways. Right, just it broke out. Oh my God, we were gonna be kings. Structure, 3 anchor points, 1 and 2 down here. Hey, but who cares, man? You're not doing anything. It's just sideways stuff. All right, so that's okay though, right? That's okay. Look where we are, man. You're near this like little bottom range, bottom of the range, right? Between it, this is a little zone, probably the lower risk zone of entry for any kind of potential rectangle swing trade, man. You can look at it like this, or you could run up and test these resistance points. Look, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 area, 8 touches, lots of resistance up there. Though, of course, you could run up all the way here. Sure, man. There is a lot of resistance here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 area, right? But I don't know, man. Obviously, it could still keep going down. Just trying to make sense of the structure we're in, I guess, in the shorter term. Just like this. And see, you haven't even broken anything. If you do break out, hey, great. Right, great. But you haven't. Okay, so you can see the heart line is the resistance, right? And this top touch point here is the 3rd anchor point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the bottom, just 1 on the top. So yeah, breaking out above 130 would be good. That's right where the 200 moving average is, man. Okay, so dude, I mean, where are we right now? Where are we holding? Not really anywhere, dude. This isn't good support. Just twig at that. Shit's Poe, man. So I don't know, man. Yeah, maybe like if you can hold above this area, you might have an opportunity, but you already have downside resistance. You're gonna have above you the 200 moving average. But yeah, dude, if one is to take a shot here, you're probably looking at this like it's range bound, like it's Wyckoff or something, right? And it's just like, I don't know, man. You could take your shot down here. You could wait to see if we could sell off some more, and you can get your absolute most opportune entry down at like 106. You may not get it. Be very tight on your stops, and you could have just something like this going. Dude, it's not easy. Okay, so you could have something like that where you're just waiting more. Okay, we're at 121. Maybe you could wait for 106. Okay. I mean, I see the divergence right there. All right, there was divergence on both oscillators in the 4 hour for sure, right? You know, low, lower, low, but we already popped. We made our move up. So it's like, that's it, dude. Congratulations on a huge move, Kappa. All right, so it's whatever, man. And I guess, you know, the wicks here, there's other like downsloping resistance here too. Okay, so that might play a role as well, getting you to these targets again. Okay, run up, hit that, sell off, right? So okay, man, so just a way to look at it. And then, you know, windfall, you know, for the say it worked out, dude. Say all your dreams came true. You're now on the Disney Channel. All right, there you go. This will be the Disney Channel up here. Great, dude. Because that's like the higher range of this large range we're in, it seems like, right? That's it, man. That's it, man. Yeah. So anyway, how was Poe, man? How was Poe for show? Thanks, Maha Freedom, dude. Oh my god, man. Yes, Maple Mike. Yes, that's where I got started. What is it? XRP logos on shorts? Oh my god, dude. Why is crypto going to be the next big thing? What are you talking about? Who's saying that, man? Well, I guess everyone was saying that during the Great FOMO, but oh man, whatever. How is any price prediction? What is this, MG, man? What you talking about, dude? Okay. Tron Connect. Tron Connect. Okay, so all-time highs. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Sorry. Not all-time highs. Okay, so all we did, what we do? We topped out, made a lower high than our previous high. Uh-oh. Right? Oh, indeed. I mean, honestly, man, there's a wick here. I wonder, dude. I wonder. I know we broke it. I know we broke out of it. All right. You see that Momo shift, man? The Momo shift. You broke it. Bump and run. Dude, bump and run stuff, man. If you're talking about a real bump and run on Tron, dude, you know the target is right. It's at the top. It's at the top of this thing, man. I'm just saying, man. Okay, so the fact that you broke that and you didn't hit these certain areas is interesting, right? I don't know if we're done yet. I really don't know if Tron's done running yet to the major targets up here. Okay, so crazy little double bottom of some sort, right? Where you just went like 5% below the area back from March and you just held sideways there and then finally broke out, and then you see the shift in momentum here, breaking this down slipping white trend line. Okay, but unfortunately, what's the conundrum here? It's we're outside of the channel, right? We had this upsloping support. We established like 8.1 and 2 and 3 in a bunch here, and you're out. But that's okay. From a low point to a high point, we have hit not even a 50% retrace yet at 575. So, but you know, you're selling off and you're diverging, right? Every time you make these lower lows on price, you're making higher levels roll to strength, some sort, right? MACD, not so much. I mean, you know, the spike here is huge, but like inside, it's kind of the right. I guess we get daily. Jeez, man. Hey, finally, almost back to neutral on the MACD, dude. It's only taken us 2 weeks to almost get back to neutral on the daily MACD. All right, here though, dude, nah, you're not getting any help on there. No real divergence per se confirmed divergence on Tron yet on the daily. Okay, you'd be looking for a move down.
Is that a joint?
Took a chance on your BTT charting yesterday. That's a spicy meatball. Thanks, dog.
Hey, Gabriel, man, thanks for the 420 contribution, man. Really appreciate it, dude. Wasn't BTT the one that we had a false breakout of the downsloping structure? We'll look at it. Okay, how about that, dude? Is that fair? Yeah. Look at it next. Thanks, dude. Kangs. Okay, so, you know, what you could think here is... Oh, my God, hold on. Maybe what happens is we could retrace a little bit and then just a very slight amount of positive momentum and then sell off again a little bit more. Maybe go down to the 618 or something. Maybe at that point we'd have some sort of pattern developed or something. And then we could show some daily, extreme daily bullish divergence, right? Lower lows, lower levels of negative momentum. Dude, we could plot it on the daily and say, hey, man, there's a real good chance here we could break to the upside, right? Seems possible. So, you know, say high to low, we retrace 30%, then we sell off again. We get one more sell off. That's where we're going to start making that crazy, crazy divergence, man. Okay. So don't give up on Tron yet, but maybe, I don't know if it's time. I don't know if it's time for Tron to be done selling. Even if we run up to 674 sats, 700 sats, don't be like, oh my God, I can't believe it, dude. We missed out. When it just really didn't look that great, you know. 4-hour divergence, you're running up, you're still below the 20-day and 50-day moving average. Your 20-day moving average bearish across of your 50-day moving average. It's not really good, right? So, not what you're looking for. Very, very high above the 200, of course. So that's what I'm saying, man. We could run down further, get closer to that 200-day moving average, whatever. Look for, you know, the golden retrace. Really not much support down there. So, anyway, dude. Tron Connect, dude. Oh, nice, dude. Nice. Hey, man. We're looking at working on 3 white soldiers of some sort, right? Cool, dude. Yeah, I still don't think you're out of the woods or anything at all, dude. But this is what we were looking at on BTT to USDT. Okay, dude. We had a little exhaustion, right? You had the impulse down and then down sloping consolidation. We just busted the upside. That's all you did. I mean, there was some very, very slight divergence on the RSI MACD on the 4-hour. Here's your 60-minute, dude. And nice break to the upside, right? That's what happens, dude. It did not make proper consolidation, so high point to low point. Hey, now we're getting closer and closer to that 382, 9,043 sats. Right, your target zone, you've already almost reached it, and you know it's going to be tougher to get to the 50% 618. Why? Because the down sloping resistance has been so well respected. All right, 1, 2, 3. I mean, I get it, man. I get, like, you broke out here but failed multiple times to really take off. There's wasn't enough buying pressure to get you over the goal line. So yeah, there was 60-minute divergence, right? Bullish divergence on the RSI like crazy, man. And this is the fruits of the happening. There you go. Broke it to the upside. So anyway, your target to the top is like 90. Why am I keep saying sats? It's like, dude, it's like 9% of a cent, right? Am I crazy here? Yeah, it's like 9% of 1 cent. Sorry about the sat stuff. No sat stuff. Good God. Excuse me. So let me get back to some chat real quick. Why not, man? Been live now for 45 minutes or something, so cool, dude. What's up, Cody, dude? Hello, Peter Couchman, man. Jeez, man. Hey, Deemstar, good to see you, dude. Hey, Evan Matthews. Well, it's interesting, man. It's like, yeah, it kind of looks like it. I know one could just automatically write off any kind of ability for Bitcoin to run up again, but as we talked about, there are a couple supports that we're holding right now, and of course we could break those, and it would make all the sense in the world, but it would also make sense in this particular situation for us to pivot and continue running to the upside. Okay, I know it sounds crazy because the impulse was so insane right on Bitcoin. You just think there's no way, man, there's no shot, we're screwed. But if this was easy, man, hey, and everyone should be calling it and becoming, you know, billionaires, right? So, saying in this particular situation, contradicting variables is the name of the game on Bitcoin right now. Okay. Well, Justin King, man, what happens if you're short 20,000 Bitcoin minis, man? What happens if we run up and hit 3,900, hit the top of the flag, then sell off? You gonna get liquidated, or are you good, dude? You can get stopped out, because even for a flag right now, you're not in the best. You did not take the most optimum risk reward area, reward risk. So no, I mean, we're waiting on it. Wolf of Worcester, dude. Greg Hassan says, just chiming in to say goodnight to everybody. He's got to get up early in the morning to finish this car, but he'll be watching the stream in the morning. Thanks, Greg, man, for chiming in. We appreciate you, dude. Thanks for watching, and thanks for just coming to hit that like button, dude. Much love.
Respect the TA. Respect the TA. Do it the Mitch Ray way. Respect the TA. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Help this channel grow, please. Mitch doesn't self-promo much. Can you check AGI, please? Thanks, Tom Brady never cheated, Kappa.
Thanks, Maha Freedom, dude. I don't self-promote much. You mean I don't self-promote at all? I mean, you know, in terms of outside this stream, I'm not like, yeah, I got a meeting, I'm going to network at the crypto event. Hand out brochures on my channel, Kappa. My God. Yeah, dude. Thanks, man, for the threes, the Tron Connect, in the jar. Whew. Man, thing is just it's getting freaky, man. It's getting real freaky on Agi, dude. We're gonna break out and false breakout. Dude, you just high to low, you cannot break above this 382 to save your freaking life, and you can't hold or sustain prices above the 200 moving average. Man, I know it looks so potentially bullish, low risk area, man, but dude, you see that type of rejection so much, man. It's like your sellers are getting aggressive, man. Oh yeah, false breakout, whatever. Like they try to push it down, but it can't. But then it runs back up, and then you keep failing to break above those resistances you were trying to break before, and it's just like, okay, man, wait a second, that's not good. But eventually the buyers, the people are just gonna be, okay, we're done, we're getting out of the way. And the sellers come in and dump this thing. Okay, I get it. It's an ascending triangle, but I've seen countless ascending triangles turn into bearish reversals. And if you want to be technical now with these wicks, man, which we can, if you want, all you got to do is this, and it's a rising wedge. Okay, thanks, wicks. Thank you, wicks, so much for giving us more vision, man. Okay, so. Look, dude, here's the thing, though. This Gartley bat combination, whatever. Hey, 382, first target. What are you mad about? You know, so look, this thing has been an extended uptrend that's gone on since August, September, just like Link. These two have been the S coins of the 6-month award, all right, or whatever, you know, time frame. I don't know. It's been good, dude. It's been real good. So gotta hand it to them, but man, it's getting really weird right here. Measure moves the same. Just you know, move it a little bit. All right, here and here. Yep. So wherever we break out, measure move could expect 1044 sats, or if we're lucky, 1418 on the move to the upside. So that's it, man. That's your agi getting weird. But the trend is upsloping for now. Major high to low. We've made good retraces, common retraces.
Dudes, check out Rinda Center on the weekly. Much love.
Hey, Black Plasma, thanks for the 333. Much love right back at you, dude. Thanks so much for that wonderful, no way it's going to get rivaled type of meme, man. For meme of the month, dude. You've almost sealed it with that. I'm sure a lot. You put a lot of time in that, and it's just wonderful. And I'm grateful, man. Thanks, dude. It's very cool. Though we were thinking about, dude, every season of Game of Coins, dude, we can have the antagonists on there. It can be like a, you know, the Star Wars, when they have like the Star Wars like VHS or like the movie posters where it's like the main antagonist is like in the background and you've got like all these side characters and stuff like that, right? You know, just everything. It's pretty cool, but we can do it like that, Black Plasma, man. RCII. Yeah, man, it's running, dude. It's running. You said weekly, though? Man, where'd it pivoted right back? Geez, 2001 lows, dude. And it's definitely reversing to the upside. You can see clearly. A nice double bottom, right? Double bottom. Neckline, measured move. Not there yet, right? Measure moves up here at $20.01 or so, right? Retrace was we've surpassed the 382. Hey, 50% retrace, just slightly above that measured move of the little double bottom, right? The low, the same low, right? Slightly lower low. Bulkowski, remember, he talks about the ones that have the slightly lower lows have better performance rates. So because just like people trying to push that price down and they fail and you get to spring to the upside. But this looks like a breakaway gap happened, right? So hey, you know, a weekly, why are you so enthusiastic? Because that weekly golden cross, the weekly golden cross is almost imminent at this point. You can see it about to cross over, man. Very cool. Very freaking cool, Black Plasma, dude. Great observation, man. Positive momentum's building, but your issue here, dude, is extremely bad. Okay, why? Dude, you're at 84.89, 85 on the RSI on the weekly. Man, that is extremely bad. That is extremely overbought. You're just asking for a pullback, okay? Reason why this rally's been going on, dude. What do you think, dude? Why do you think? It all started with the macro pumping. It's been pumping non-stop. Plunge protection team just going up in a straight line ever since the 26th, man. And this thing's just been going with the macro. Once the macro sells off, this thing's gonna go down with it. Go down with it. So that's beautiful, dude. But maybe we've got a little bit more power to get to that measure move of the double bottom. That's about it, man. I know you could think it's like rounding or something, but high to low, soon to be at a 50% retrace. We're in the golden zone, so any kind of reversal here is fine. It's not weird at this point. Okay, There you go. Black plasma, man. Thanks, dude. Any kind of trend we had, we broke it, I think, right? Surely did. Probably back testing. I want to see how it works. We start at the beginning. Dang, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice little historical uptrend, right? 1 and 2 and 3 had one wick below it. Scary. This is a global financial crisis times, right? So pop though in the nice little double bottom, huge move, rallied all the way to July 2013, lower high, huge move down, double bottom, running up again. But hey, look, dude, you know what's gonna, hey, where's that measured move, man? That measured move is right back. We never back tested here as a resistance. So this is going to be used, black plasma, most likely as a critical resistance. It's gonna be very tough to get back into some sort of historical uptrend we were in. We're not in anymore, right? You see something else, dude? Hey man, be careful. Be real careful. High on price. Higher, much higher high on price on a weekly time scale. When you're at 85, 86 on the RSI, and you're showing weekly bearish divergence in the MACD, dude, be careful. Good God. That's super scary, man. Whatever, dude. Okay. There's your weekly. You asked for it. You got it, man. Wow. I'm just gonna try to catch up on some chat now. I can't do it, man. It's just gonna, I have to use Restream. Slow night tonight, man. Alex, yeah, dude. That's what Mondays and Tuesdays do, man. They're slow, right? But you know, they're so slow that you know, U.S. equity and bond futures markets were frozen for, I don't know, maybe an hour or so today. They're back up, but man, with us like in the title, it's crazy, man. Crazy. I guess we can look kind of real quick at something that Larley sent me. Yeah, like all global futures trading is halted. CME is aware. We're aware of this, and we're actually are currently looking into this. Okay. So this trading stopped, man, everywhere. And there's just a bunch of dude, I know Nirav, man. Dude, that's the name of my old bookie, dude. What the heck? Wow. So yeah, anyway, I don't know, it was down, man. There's just a quick little article on it, so very cool. Tron Zilica is looming over floor ADA. Only TNT or our local dinosaur rep can save us now. Oh my God, King Logan, dude, terrible. Watch channel, what's up, dude? Modest Mitch. Why you call me Modest Mitch, man? Just wondering. Are you being facetious? Well, I mean, who hadn't heard about Bitcoin? I didn't really get into it till like right before that gray FOMO started, dude. I mean, you know, it was really just curiosity, like what people are talking about, 1,300% gains. Curious like everyone else, man. Oh, 24/7 market. Wow. Right. But it just, to me, was fascinating. I was like, how, this thing's not even, doesn't even make sense. It's just going straight up every day. It's nonstop. It was like thousands of dollars above the 20-day moving average. Just like bearish divergence, rising wedge, everything before the end. Sorry, just getting through some chat since we haven't been able to engage much, but whatever. So JVP. Dang it, Anthony, man, we looked at ICX earlier, dude. Okay, we looked at it in the day stream. When are we dumping, Dominique? Great question. Yeah, Crypto Lunar. I live stream the same time daily. Yep. 6 Eastern and 11 Eastern. I don't even know, man. Like, sometimes it just feels like, ugh. See me quote vague pronouns. He, she, it, they, them. What is it? Donald Trump reached a deal with Brett Garlinghouse to have the Ripple Army to become a human wall in exchange for Coinbase. Yeah, dude, he got blocked. What funding for the wall got blocked tonight or something in a vote. Not good, man. That's right, 24/7 market's the best. It could be the worst too, right? Could be the worst. Yeah, man, it still looks like it's kind of going, right? It still looks like it's kind of going, man. Yeah, ICX, dude. Anthony and whoever else asked. Razor. Dude, come on, man. This music sucks. Right now, anyway. So, look, down sloping. Resistance broken. Alright, you're out. Your Momo shifted, right? And, I don't know, we talked about the 1272 being a great little support that we held, at least somewhat, and then we bounced, right? So that's great, man. Thanks for the 1272. We fibbed. So from the height of the structure, man, really from your high to low. I mean, you're just now hitting the 236, okay? And we know the golden zone for any kind of retrace, for any kind of asset, whatever it is, between the 382 and the 618. So if this thing's going to be doing things, you're looking for it to do things between 880 and 1101. We're talking reverse your price action to downside, reverse downside, reverse downside, any one of these fib nodes, okay? So, but right now you can look at this like it's range bound in a certain way, right? You've got this 236, but you've also at the top of maybe a range. Okay, look, even down here, there's another wick there. You see what I'm saying, man? Okay, so we're just range bound in a certain way. But you know, the thing that makes us think that we're not just range bound is because we broke a downside resistance, which is momentum shift. Okay, it's different. So that's why we think that if you are to make major retraces at this point, we going up here 880 to 1101, and then people could argue and say it's a double bottom, whatever, triple bottom, whatever. If that's the case, measure moves putting you in between this zone. So who even cares, man? Different interpretations, you can still both be right. Okay, it's the beauty of TA, man. When do we get to the point where a Coinbase listing dumps the price immediately? Yeah, dude. Well, I mean, it's kind of does that, except for Ripple. Ripple's actually been spared a little bit of volatility because everything else has been very volatile, but normally to the downside. Well, normally beforehand, running up to it, and then when it gets listed, it dumps. Holy crap, man. Okay. Here we go what, dude? Here we go what, Ray? Joe Ray. Okay, sorry. Yep. It's time, man. It's time. Look on the eights. Oh my god, dude. Wow. Can't wait till all the soreness is gone, man. Dude, I can't wait. I cannot wait, man. To be jacked again. Dude. Mirror neurons are real, dude. Muscle memory's real. Can't wait. Hello, Anthony. Others, Razor. Dude, I literally did icon for you. MIA? MIA. Okay, sweet, dude. Thanks for the thanks, man. Alright, upsloping channel. Potential bear pull, bear flag. Look, man, you can run all the way up and hit 3,900, 382 from the high to low, and it still would be a bear flag, okay? If you keep getting low volume on the moves, you're just asking to get dumped again, okay? So, that's it. You're holding on to the downsloping support that was once resistance, and the upsloping support that has been used as support, right? That's it. That's the only thing holding you up, propping you up here, all right? Cool. Is this a death cross? Nah, man. Nah, it's just 20 bearishly crossing over the 50. It sucks, but it's not bullish, but it's not a death cross. No, the death cross is this 200, this purple line, the 50 moving average, finally making its way back down and bearishly crossing over the 200. So no, we are not in death cross territory yet on the 4 hour. No. So we'll see, man. You see we pivot and we can hold these two supports, the converging supports, really. See what we're made of, man. Okay. This market's known to make fools of people, and man, how cool it would be if it made fools out of everyone by pivoting off our supports and running again. It'd be awesome, but it's tough to say if we can because the impulse down came on a pretty decent amount of volume. Pretty good amount of volume. All right, so don't lose hope, don't lose faith yet, but it's not an idealistic bear pull, bear flag. It's not like your perfect one. It's perfect structure, but in the context of it, it's not the most perfect situation, right? Normally you want to make lower lows than your previous lows, right? And you need to not be in some sort of upsloping structure, which we're definitely in right now. So we're not. Okay. Jeez, what a false breakout, man. Dang, man. BNB. Yeah, it's still making lower highs. Who cares, dude? Whatever. Man. Okay, so, well, I don't know, man. It's not bad. It's pretty good. Still playing into the hands that we want it to, right? With the BNB to BTC. Ascending broadening wedge. We broke out bearishly, and now we're back testing. We're back testing the trend line that was once a support is now being used as a resistance. Also using the 20 moving average as a resistance. Your 20 just bearishly crossed over your 50 yesterday. All right, so projected measured move on the ascending broadening wedge, if we were to be able to hold outside of this, would put us down here at 22,479 because that is the measured move at the beginning of the pattern where it started developing. All right, so that's it, man. Okay. So speculative question. Oh wow, holy crap, forgot. What? Oh.
3.33 is like $50 in Canadian fee. Give me a break. Much respect on the high quality stream. A lot of time, money and hard work in it shows.
Sorry, dude, about the Canadian exchange rate. Yeah, man, US dollar keeps going up, man. I know Phil was talking about it. He hates it. Hurts buying power. Much better than the high quality stream. Oh, thanks, man. I don't even know if it's even good content, you know? Like, you'd figure if it was good content, I'd have been viral by now, right? I'd already had like 1 billion viewers and a billion subs, right? I don't even know how that stuff works. I don't think anyone does, man. It's so weird. A lot of time, money, and hard work, and it shows. Oh, okay. Thank you, Jack Black, man. I couldn't hear what she was really saying. Yeah, man. Leave it all out on the field for the most part. when it comes to the streaming stuff, and I'm trying to get better. You know, that thumbnail, I did it myself, man. I'm still trying to work and learn and get better at other things that have to do with providing good, better content, even just the little things like the thumbnails, right? So, yeah, man. I don't know, James Richards, man, I don't really do 15-minute Rising 3 methods, dude. Okay. That's the name of my company, though. Rising 3 Methods. Cheers to that. Wow. Are you kidding me, dude? Okay. There it is. There it is, man. This is your bearish bat pattern, I believe, right? A bearish bat with the 88% retrace. I mean, it just went above 78% retrace. It just went between it. So, you know, you hit that as soon as we sold off, man. Now targets have been hit, right? What's your third target? Your third target's always down here, right? Go the 786 or the 100% or the 1272. So, dollar forming a harmonic. Whoa, man, I can't believe it, dude. I can't freaking believe it, dude. Okay. And you'd think the target would be the bottom trend line of this very, very nice, well-established ascending, broadening wedge pattern. Yes. Okay, so right before we get there, we'd stall right there at 95.23 or something. Okay. Beautiful, man. Beautiful harmonics. They're everywhere. Find your own harmony. Find your harmonic in your life. Okay. Holy crap, there you go, Arnolfo, dude. That's at your service, dude. Okay. Oh, he grabbed it. Hold on. Okay. So we'll see, man. We'll see if it plays out. I mean, you hit the 62% retrace today. You did it, man. And you were showing some slight bullish divergence too. And you popped a little bit. Just don't know, man. Don't know if it's done. I don't think this is finished. Okay. Third target, again, 95 bucks. Bottom trend line of the ascending, broadening wedge. That's it, man. Okay. Alright, TRX. Falling wedge. It's like we're showing all this. What are we doing, man? Daily? Yeah, that's it, dude. The daily was showing the bullish divergence, whatever. And we said, hey, man, the selling just been so overwhelming. And look, love inception prices. Look, it's where you bounced, right? Getting some sort of 3 white soldiers. Maybe. Trying to break above the 20-day moving average, but hey, the down sloping resistance is real. It's here, man. If we can break that, though, measure move of the pattern puts you in like 72.30 something sats. Okay, so we might run up to the 50-day moving average, hit that, then sell off again. But it's really what's been going on with ZRX. 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, right? Total. So that's it, man. Small little exhaustion pattern at a critical area of support of some sort, and you got this triple RSI bullish divergence to boot with a potential throughout soldiers reversal, but again, it's not making any higher highs, and it's still within the parameters of the wedge. Okay. As ever, 0x are asked about it. Who cares? Who cares? Huh. It's funny. Sorry. Jeez. Just like most of them, man. This is just like Litecoin. Reminds me of Litecoin in a way. Alright, so. Yeah, I know what happened, dude. I know we broke out of some crazy... Hold on, where is it, man? Dude. Which one did I do it on? It's not that one. Is it this one? Doing tether? No. Just bear with me a sec. Thanks. Wow. Jeez, man. I'm struggling here, okay? Just bear with me. Thanks. Okay. Here's ADA, USDT or something, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 anchor points, 25%, 50% heart line, great. Resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support, support. Come on, dude. Great. We broke out of it. Wonderful. Good for us. All right. But from your high point to your low point, we've retraced only 38% of the way. We almost hit a 50% retrace, so that's good, but just can. Hey, man, let's think about this, right? Is this looking like, kind of looking like Ethereum, maybe? Hold on, just give me a sec. Oh my God, sorry. I need like a mega desk. Okay, I need to spend like $3 grand and just get an insanely nice desk, corner desk that literally goes my entire office all the way around. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different, 5 different things, 6 different things, really 7 different things. A fridge, a scrubby little thing that holds my printer, this other little scrub table from like college or whatever. Then this other little side piece that holds my subwoofer up, and then I've got this desk for the computer, and then I've got this other little coffee table thing for the computer and the surge protectors, and then this own little thing for the internet. So yeah, dude, that's super ghetto rig over here still, and it's just not conventional. Sorry, not gonna work, dude. Not gonna work. It's only 50% retrace. What do you think there, man? Give me some time, dude. mess around, dude. Just give me a sec. Okay. Potentially, man. Potentially, we got some sort of bearish butterfly. No, sorry, bearish bat. Bearish bat pattern. Very real possibility. That would require Bitcoin to do things bullishly, but no, probes, man. It doesn't come in till the 5th to the 8th. I don't know why. For some reason, it was not Amazon Prime eligible when I did it. And I tried canceling my order the next day, and it had already shipped. But it's like, how is it already shipped, and I can't cancel my order when it won't be in till March 5th through the 8th? Dude, give me a stupid freaking break. Such a scam, even though, whatever, I know I'll get the product and all that. And it said it was eligible for Amazon Prime when I looked back at it, and that's why I started canceling. I'm like, this is stupid. Why would I wait this long? So, nah, man, I have to wait until then. No, I can't, I had like you can't cancel the order because it's shipped, supposedly. So it'll be in at some point, man. All right, but maybe here you gotta have a nice run though. It could take time, but 88% retrace. That's like 7.6 cents. You know, this just means that Bitcoin would have to go on an extremely nice run again, a real nice run. Okay. And we just don't know if that's going to happen, man. Like, this is all potential until we start getting up to these areas, okay? It's all potential till then. You don't use these patterns to go long on C. Sorry, dude. You wait to go short when we start getting to areas of 786, 886 area. You start looking for that reversal to the downside, okay? Bearish divergence, rising wedge, whatever. You're looking to go short, not to go long to the end, okay? That's not how it works. This is not a valid pattern yet. This is only potential. Bearish bat pattern. All right, beautiful though. Looks wonderful, doesn't it? It's almost perfect if we can get to the D. That's what she said. Great. Holy crap, dude. Thanks to the 160 people still somehow here. Thank you. Oh my god, really? Okay, whatever. You're like, ADA please, and then I start doing ADA to USD, and you're like, ADA to BTC please. I'm like, really, dude? Like, after I've already done the analysis? That's great, man. Thanks, dude. Okay, well, whatever. Yeah, it's been great. Thanks so much, Jack Black and Robert Kirk. No, sorry. No, sorry. It's just make sure I got this right. Just waiting on this thing, man. Yeah. So thanks Jack Black, thanks Black Plasma, and thank you Maha Freedom and Gabriel for the contributions tonight. I appreciate it. And no new subs. So thank you all so much for the stream tonight. I'll be back sometime tomorrow, I guess. So until next time, respect the TA.